Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can stop the automatic update on your Windows 10 and also on the Windows 11. So guys, the process was very simple. You just need to follow the steps. So go to the Windows side, type here the services and it will show on the top. You just need to open it. And guys, once your services was open here, you just need to search for the Windows Update service. So keep scrolling down until you find the Windows Update service. So guys, once you find the Windows Update service here, you will see it enables the detection of download and install the update for Windows and other programs automatically. So you just need to right click on that and go to its properties, and in the startup type, just click on that and choose it to disabled. Just click on the apply and click on the stop to stop this service. So now you just need to click on the OK option, then you just need to close it, and now the Windows automatic update is disabled on your PC. So if you want to update your Windows, you can manually update by opening up the Windows update. And guys, this is how you can stop the Windows automatic update. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.